What's happening, guys? This is my video on how to install the VN ROM for the Galaxy S4 i9500. So guys, you must be rooted and should have custom recovery installed. So hit link 1 to do so, and link 2 will lead you to the ROM thread so you can download the ROM from there. So once you have the ROM downloaded, transfer it onto your internal or your external memory. So once you have done that, hold your up volume, power and the home button at the same time. Keep holding it till you see the Galaxy S4 displayed on the screen. Okay, you can let go the keys once you see this. So guys, once you are on your recovery mode, use your volume keys to move up and down and power button to select. So choose wipe data factory reset and hit yes. Now that's done. Go to wipe cache partition. Yes. Wipe cache. Again, go to advanced. Do a wipe Dalvik cache. Now that's done. Go back. Choose install zip from SD card. And see if it's in your internal memory, choose zip from SD card. And if it's in the external, go to choose zip from external SD card. And select the ROM file, the VN GT i9500. Select it and hit yes install. And wait for the installation to complete. So the installation is complete now. Hit go back and reboot system now. So guys, the first boot may take up to 5 minutes, so just be patient. So guys, we are up here, so let me just quickly skip the basic settings. So guys, we are up here. Let me just quickly show you what I'm running now. So here we have the VN ROM, and this is the Android version 4.2.2 Jelly Bean. So I will be coming up with a review very soon, so stay subscribed and you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.